founded House Doctors Painting and Restoration to really specialize in the exterior painting and restoration of houses here in Aberdeen. We also do the interior painting as well, but we really try to just go above and beyond in our customer service and our quality of our jobs that we complete.
We do the job right, and we do it right the first time. We want to make sure the client is happy and that they are getting exactly what they are looking for.
So our restoration services are mainly for the houses that are from like 1960 and older, so something that's going to take a lot more TLC, some more care, a little bit more knowledge.
We are looking for any imperfections, such as is there any window trim that needs to be replaced, fascia board, eaves, anything like that. We look for peeling paint, chipping paint, anything like that, anything that needs a little bit more prep work with us, and just kind of making sure that we can make their house product or project last as long as possible.
We offer a lot of different options when it comes to exterior painting, so that could be different grades of paint, that could be different application methods, that could be different prep work methods, and it also depends on what kind of house you own. So every house has different kinds of siding, so there's different kind of prep work, and we go over that with a client on an individual basis and to achieve their best quality service. In order to deliver the highest quality products and service here at House Doctors Painting, we really stress in training our employees very, very well and going above and beyond in the prep work and making sure we're using quality materials and quality application methods.
I like working with Alan because he's very easygoing. He's very efficient. He makes sure everything is organized. Both him and I, we kind of work together and we make sure that things are ready and things go as smooth as possible. And his problem-solving skills are just awesome. That I sit here and worry about things, and he's like, nope, got it taken care of already. My favorite thing about working with House Doctors Painting and Restoration, I would have to say, is seeing the transformation of these houses. Some of them that we see are in tough shape, and it's nice to finally walk away and take a look back at all your hard work that you put in, and it just looks brand new, and the client is super happy, and you get neighbors that give compliments.
We strive to make sure that we're doing it the best way we can at the best price. For any interior and exterior painting projects,
give us a call today.
If you have any interior or exterior projects, give us a call today. Oh. All right, just a second.